I'm just going to take 2 minutes of yours while saying something. I mean, I don't want to sound preachy and like a healer talker, but we are living in some hard times right now. And I hope that you guys, don't get swept away with the bitterness and the negativity and the violence that's happening around the world and around us. I want you guys to stay sweet and stay gentle, stay amazing, stay beautiful, because even though the world may think that it's a shitty place to live in, it is beautiful. And we are beautiful. And you guys are it. All you guys out here, you guys are it. You guys are the force, and the force is going to be with you guys forever and ever. So be happy and be positive. Love each other, and I love you. I love you guys so much. Okay, wait. Why don't everyone hug the person on your right? Like whoever's on the right of you, hug them. Give them a hug. Give them a hug. Show some love. Hug the person on your right side. No, y'all are not hugging. Come on, hug the person. Hug the person. Y'all want to hug each other. Come on, let's give some love. Yeah.